In this last video about WSL, I will show you how to install the ABC compiler. But let's begin with writing a Hello World program in ABC first. You actually can copy paste it from the website. You will see it's quite similar to the Hello World program in C. But instead of a hashtag include, you have a add standard IO header and you have this FN keyword. But what you see is that we so far don't have any syntax highlighting. So that's the first thing we should change. So go to settings and then in this install option, search for ABC. And then you see this package and you simply click install. And after a while, that should be done. And then you see we have nice syntax highlighting. Now we go to the right hand side and typically we would now compile this hello.abc file with abc hello.abc, but you see the command is not found because the ABC compiler is not installed. Now Google for LLVM and the first hit should bring you to this website, and there you go to apt packages and then you have to copy paste this command. And you will see you have to actually run this as root. If you would not do that, you will get the following error message. You see the error message tells you you have to run it as root. So let's do this again with sudo. And after that, after a while, the LLVM package is installed. Now this is the first thing that you have to install, and you will see we have to install a bit more. For example, a C++ compiler. G++ so far is not installed, but the error message again tells us how to install it. So we copy paste that, say yes, and because we previously have updated our package list, this now should run without any problems and install the C++ compiler. Now the next step is that we actually have to download the ABC compiler from GitHub. Google for GitHub Michael Lehn, and in my repositories look for ABC LLVM, and there you have to copy this URL. Simply click here or use the command from the website. Now I paste the URL, Ctrl A brings me to the beginning of the line, and then I have to type in git clone and then this URL. So now we will have a new directory. Check it out with ls. It's called abc-llvm. We change into this directory, and then usually we would be done by simply typing make. But make is a command which is not installed. But again, the error message tells us how to install it. So we copy paste that. And once that's done, we simply can type in make. Now, this would be okay, but it will take quite some time. Now I will show you some thing how to speed up this, how to build the ABC compiler in parallel. You simply type in make-j8, and then 8 processes will be used for compiling this package, and this will speed up things a bit. Okay, so that's it. Then with make install, we actually can install it. However, you see again from the error message, permission denied, and this calls for root permissions. So we simply do this with sudo. And now we see there is no longer an error message. Now, of course, we have to check out where are we. We are still in the subdirectory, so I have to change back to the home directory. And now I can use the ABC compiler to actually compile the Hello World program. And this will generate a.out, and it prints Hello World. Now let's check out that it actually compiled this new program by modifying it. So you see the typical workflow: modify a program, compile it, run it. And of course you also can use the option -o for giving it a different name like hello. And then again, back to the workflow, modify the program, and make sure that you save it, compile the program, run the program, and then I show you a typical problem. You modify a program and you forget to save it. So you see the blue bullet, the blue dot. You compile it and you wonder why it's still printing out the same output as before. If you save it and compile again, yeah, things should work.